One of the things that I covered on the panel today was what could Africa do to fill some of the gaps in terms of internal audit. And I think what we sort of arrived at the end of the day is that advocacy is very important for internal audit to find its space.
The workshop, in my view, went very well. We've dissected a lot of topics, and I think in the main, the topic around ensuring that we have a clearly defined professionalization of the internal auditing across Africa is one of the key takeaways.
I've spoke through some of the big strategic challenges that you have where strategy goes wrong, but typically with the IA and organizations like that, it's not the big strategic challenges, it's more about strategic drift